Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Preshtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swamin Iti Namine. Namaste Sarasvate Deve Gauravani Pracharne Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Desha Charne. Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Preshtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Iti Namine. Shri Varshabhanavi Devi Dayatai Kripabdhyay Krishna Sambandha Vijnana Dayane Prabhave Namaha Madhuryojvala Premardhya Shri Rupanoga Bhakti Dashi Gaura Karuna Shakti Vigrahaya Namostude Namaste Gauravani Shri Murtiye Dinatarne Rupanoga Viruddha Pasidhanta Dvantaharne Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaura Bhaktavinda Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. এখানে অধিকাংশ ভক্তরা গৌড়ীয় সবাই গৌড়ীয় আছেন কিন্তু অনেকে অধিকাংশ বেঙ্গলি আছে এবং সব ভাষা এখন পর্যন্ত বাংলায় ছিল কিন্তু আমাদের মধ্যে কিছু ভক্ত যারা গৌড়ীয় আছে কিন্তু অবেঙ্গলি এবং তারা খুব ধৈর্য সহিত এখন পর্যন্ত সব কথা শুনছেন কিন্তু বুঝেন না সেই জন্য আমি 2-1 মিনিটে ইংরেজিতে কথা বলবো ঠিক আছে Maybe we're all, after hearing so many beautiful things about Saraswati Thakur, Srila Prabhupada, maybe we're all thinking, if I could have been born at that time, I could have seen him with my own eyes and heard him with my own ears. In this regard, there's a narration, one highly esteemed professor once came to the Gaudiya printing works in Krishnanagar, where Prabhupada Saraswati Thakur was speaking Hari Katha to his disciples. And this professor started telling everyone how this was after the disappearance of Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. So this professor was telling how, you remember how I used to come and I used to explain the Gita to Bhaktivinoda Thakur, and he respected me very much. Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada, hearing this, he became transcendentally angry and said, you never saw Bhaktivinoda Thakur in your whole life. The professor was shocked. He said, what? So many times I saw him. You were there also. You saw me with him. Bhaktivinoda Thakur used to feed me personally. He gave me much respect. I know the names of all your brothers and sisters. How can you say that, what is this, that you never saw him? So Saraswati Thakur, Srila Prabhupada explained that aprakrita vastu nahe prakrita gocha. We cannot, that which is transcendental, we cannot perceive with the material senses. This point he stressed that we should have written the Hare Krishna mantra, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And with that we should have written Atashri Krishna Nama Adina Bhavad Grahyam Indriyai Sevon Mukhe Hi Jevado Swayam Eva Sparatyada. We cannot see the sadhu with our eyes. We have to hear through the ears. This point, but the professor didn't get it. He couldn't understand the point. Another anecdote which I'm very fond of telling. I heard this in a recorded lecture by Pujapad Bhakti Hriday Bon Maharaj, who had a close relationship with the Maharaj of Bardhaman. So the Maharaj of Bardhaman, he told Sripad Bon Maharaj once that I regularly used to visit your Guru Maharaj, Srila Prabhupada, in Calcutta. And every time I went to see him, of course, I bowed down. But one time I thought, I'm the Maharaj of Bardhaman. I'm a big person. Everyone, all the high people in Bengal, they all know me and respect me. Why should I bow down when I go to see him? Next time I go to see him, I won't bow down, and I will see how he reacts. Something like Bhrigu Muni going to Brahma, Shiv and Vishnu. So the Maharaj of Bardhaman, he came one time, strolling up. Now let's see what he does. He came into the room where he was present and he told Bon Maharaj that, boom, I don't know what happened. I just, without thinking, my head automatically went down to the floor. Such a personality. Didn't demand respect, commanded it. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhuvya evacha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Hare Krishna.
আমি প্রার্থনা জানাই পূজ্যপাদ চিদণ্ডী স্বামী শ্রীমৎ লোকনাথ স্বামী মহারাজের নিকট শিল প্রভুপাদের শ্রীচরণে বক্তব্য